Today we're at 1141 South Braddock Avenue, Pittsburgh, PA, the home of Wellness Pittsburgh.
Hello, I'm Dr. Christopher Powell, founder of Wellness Pittsburgh and owner of Powell Chiropractic. For years we've been helping Pittsburghers live healthier, happier lives. Whether you're suffering from aches and pains, digestive disorders, headaches, weight issues, immune problems, anything you can think of, our team is here to help you. We're also certified to take care of pediatric and prenatal clients. So if this issue is with your child, or if you're expecting a child yourself, we are trained to help you. We have certified massage therapists on staff. We also offer birth classes in our back room. So whether it's nutrition, pain management, exercise, stress reduction techniques, we can help you. Call us at 412-243-9355. That's 412-243-WELL. Or visit us online at wellnesspittsburgh.com and take the first steps to a healthier you. This is where we do our exams and our new patient consults. We have the latest technology where we can actually see how stress is affecting the body and affecting the nervous system. We can actually see how best to help you and the parts of the body that your stress may be affecting more than others.
We will leave you from where your visit will start at Wellness Pittsburgh, the child-friendly waiting room. Dr. Powell and his staff are equipped to take great care of your health needs and concerns.
Well, friends got children and a mother that's quite home.